To all the RV campers out there, travelers, adventure seekers, or whoever might be listening, a warm hello to you all. This is Emily with another segment of our 2020 U.S. tour in our motorhome. Traveling in our motorhome, there's a need for us to move to a new campground when we go to a new destination city. Recently, we were at the St. Augustine, Florida location, and we decided to stay at the Stagecoach RV Park. We stayed there for about 3 days. Now what I do is I try to do a review of the park and share some insights about the park in hopes that if you are ever in the area, this will help you make a decision. Whether a decision to choose a park is influenced by the cost each night to park your RV, the location, or it could be the amenities that they offer. But hopefully this video will help you decide. I enjoy walking around the campground every morning, and when I do so, I take my camera along with me and take a video. So follow along with me as I stroll down, and I will take you on a tour of the campground. As you drive into the park, this is what you will see. This is the office. There's a lot of property that goes with this park. It's very spacious. The roads are gravel, and it's wide so that both directions coming and going can fit. For campers who do not have a bathroom nor a shower, and also for those that do not have a washing machine, there's a laundromat inside. So it's $2 for the wash and $2 for the dryer. And there's a big field in the back. It's probably a good area to fly a drone or to gather up some guys and play football. So here is the women's bathroom. They have just remodeled it. It's very nicely done. It's got brand new ceramic tiles, nice handlebars, grab bars for handicap, Since it is brand new, it is very clean. It's almost as clean as my bathroom. They have 3 toilets and 2 shower stalls. So let's go on back to the road and continue my walk around this park. As you notice, it's green grass. It rains quite a bit around here, so we have the green grass, and they're constantly mowing the grass. They really keep this place clean. There's a section of the park that's just for storage for the snowbirds. They are gone until probably around September when they'll be back. You will notice also that the RVs are not so close together. There's spacing in between, so you're not right next to your neighbor. There's privacy there, so you can have some peace and quiet. I like that. Like I mentioned before, this is a very big park. It's very spacious. Now I will show you the play area. Here they have a covered patio, a cornhole toss, and over here on the left they have a barn where they keep all the badminton, all the play equipment. Here they have a big Connect 4 for adults and kids. And also there's an oversized checker set. Unfortunately, there is no swimming pool. Sorry. So here is the front of the building, entry to the office, and if you go to the back, there's entry into a social room where they have card tables for people to play, cards for dancing, for having entertainment and meals. And that's right next to the covered area. So here is the layout of the park. On the far side of the park is the dumpster. They also have propane for you to fill up your tank. You can see the badminton or volleyball net. There's also a little basketball court. And a little area, gated, fenced area for the little pooch to run around in. So back on track again. Let's go on down the road. And you will notice that they have street signs. This one is 2nd Avenue, and it certainly helps people who come into the park to find their space. If you think you've seen this before, well, that's because I've gone around the park about 2 or 3 times. So this park may or may not be for you. It may not suit your needs, but I'm glad I was able to share it with you. Dawn and I are having the time of our life experiencing this travel. I'd like to share more with you. Please click and subscribe. Thank you.